Hello, welcome back to Amelia Projects here. Today in this video, I'm going to show you a tutorial how to make your LinkedIn profile public. But before it, I have you guys click subscribe and the bell button to support the channel. And so now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, first thing first, of course, you just have to open your LinkedIn application, and you also have to make sure that your phone is already connected to the internet. And after, go to your account here at the top left in the corner. And now in this page, tap on this gear icon, which is settings at the bottom. Now go ahead to this visibility and pick here the option which is edit your public profile. I'm gonna tap on it. Now you just have to scroll it down until we'll find here your profile's public visibility. You just have to turn on the toggle beside it. If it is turned green, which is your LinkedIn profile is already as a public profile, yeah guys. So yeah, I think it's enough. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.